Hello guys, and welcome to Web Tips. My name is Samir, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Stick My Header for Astra WordPress plugin created by myself. So without further ado, let's begin. So first, open up your WordPress admin interface. Then go to Plugins, then Add Plugins. Then right on the search bar, Stick My Header for Astra. Then wait a little bit. Once you see the plugin displayed, click on Install Now. Wait for the installation. Then click on Activate. Once you see the plugins banner with the SH logo, that means the plugin is successfully installed and activated. After you click on the plugins icon in the left sidebar, the Welcome tab interface will open up. You have three tabs: the Welcome tab, Documentation, and Support. Let's go through these. So here, you've got a small description of what SH plugin is and what it aims for. So when you click on Start Header Customizing, the blue button, you'll be redirected to the WordPress customizer, specifically to our plugins section called Sticky Header. This button will redirect you to the video that you are seeing right now on YouTube. Now, let's see the Documentation tab. In this section, you'll find a lot of text and graphic content that helps plugin users to better understand how to use the SH plugin. I'll let you discover it more once you read it. Now, let's check the Support tab. Here, you'll find the official contact of the plugin's owner and developer, which is WebTips and me. You've got an email address, an official website, and our YouTube channel. The right section is more about pro websites customization. That's it for this section. Let's go to the Sticky Header section in the WP Customizer. So go to Welcome tab, then click on Start Header Customizing. In here, there are a lot of parameters that you can change in order to improve your header section design and make it look way better and way beautiful. In the Sticky Header section, you'll find a lot of sections or subsections in it. Let us introduce them. First one, Header Settings. So this section contains parameters that you want to change when the header is in its initial position, which means at the top of the page. Let's see an example of use. When you scroll down the left sidebar, you'll find another section called Sticky Header Settings. Second one, Sticky Header Settings. So in this section, you'll find parameters that you can change if you'd like to update your header design when it is sticky, which means when you're scrolling your pages, just like that. Let's see an example. Now let's scroll down to the third section, which is Mobile Tablet. Now, if you want to have a sticky header when your website is displayed on mobile or tablet, you need to switch the user interface to smartphone or tablet so you can view the changes. Then check this box. Once you scroll down, you'll see a sticky header displayed at the top of your page. Let's make it look better. Let's change some parameters. The last section is a custom CSS field, just below. That allow you to add CSS code so you can change anything you want in your design using this section. Once you finish editing your header design using our SH plugin, you can click on Publish, the blue button, so we can save the editings and apply them to your website. Don't forget, you can rate our plugin by clicking on this line or this one. You can also donate to our plugin by clicking on this link. Thank you so much for using our plugin.